What's up guys, this is Synchronize here, welcome back to Minecraft. Today I'm going to be showcasing you something I've already showed you but in a nicer format. So yesterday I showed you guys the wireless redstone, but the design is perfectly fine for one unit, but if you're wanting to have multiple units stacked up to each other, you're going to want it to be one wide. So over here I've developed the one wide system. And I'll just show you that it all works exactly like the other one. So if I pull on this lever, that light will come on. Pull on this lever, that light will come on. Pull on this lever, that one, that one. The reason there's repeaters going into the pistons here before these is piston updates seem to be bugged out again, and when I was pulling a lever that was like there, it would be activating both of these. I'll see if I can get it to work for you now. Yeah, things like that. That was really bugging me. So I just did it like that. It will still work with this design over here, I believe. If I set these ones to 2, we'll probably be able to activate the ones over there. So let's just extend our view distance, not that much, and have a look. So if I go on that lever there, sure enough, our end light comes on. Or at least the lever, sure enough, it goes off. There's not really much to building these guys, but I'm going to show you how to do one section. So get your block of choice, place it down, then lever on the back, block here, repeater, sticky piston, redstone block, one like that, and then your 2 command block outputs. So our first one, again, I'm just going to copy this over. When I type it in here, I'll just explain it to you in terms of this. Name value. That's pretty much how it works, but for our one it's going to be, so say free 0. Actually no, I named free to free, so like that. Again, and set it as 1, but I'm just going to do it as 2 because I've done it in the minimum value way. So it doesn't matter if it's 2, 1, 1,000, no, none of that matters. Yeah, so that's our input section. Now if we pull on this, it should turn on one of the things over there. Yep, there we go, there's number 3 turned on, and that is counting from this side. So 1, 2, 3, number 3. Now for building the output section, let's do this some way over. So oh yeah, that was, never mind. That was just an idea I came up with to show there was no wires used, but then I was like, wait a minute, kind of pointless. Yeah, about over here you can see there's nothing down, it's all just command blocks. Right. Oh. So, command block. The hoppers, of course. But I'm not doing this right already. Not being a muppet. I am being a complete muppet. Right, your wool down. Hoppers like this. You don't actually need these 2 blocks here, but I just like them. Your comparator. Then your command block. In here you want a /test for player. Test for score. See, I wouldn't be able to program one of these from scratch. I use the wiki. I mean, if I had with having all the pieces around me, I'm able to do it, but without them, we'll leave that as minimum 1. So this will be our little sensor. And then on the other side of the comparator, you just stick the other side of the command block, you stick another comparator, and then from this comparator you can stick your output. So we're just going to go with a sticky piston here with a bit of that on top. Yeah, right, so pull this. Oh, one little thing we need to add is the item to start the hopper clock. Oops, yeah, so now that you've done that, it should all work. Hey. And you guys can clearly see there are no wires. None. Truly wireless redstone. Doesn't use any glitches or anything like that, it's just straight up commands. As I said before in the other video, you can actually hide the command block commands with this little command over here. So game row command block output, and all you just want to do is set it to false. So by doing that, if we pull this thing over here, we shouldn't be able to see anything. Yep, so there we go. So that's how to build one section. If you want to do another section, you pretty much just do it like this again, unless you're doing, well, for more sections I would suggest instead of putting that sideways and having to do lots of hoppers, you just do one, run a bit of redstone along the top, then do another one, run a bit of redstone along the top. The comparator signal seems to be able to travel just 2 blocks, barely 2 blocks, and one of the blocks is actually conducting the signal, which helps a bit. Yeah, so that's how you do that. To do another, if you want to do like another section for creating the for actually creating the scoreboard type, you'd have to do this command here, and all you want to do is, let's say we make one called 7, and we'll display it as 7. Then we'll just come over here so you guys can see it again. So game row has been updated. Wish they did that for when you hide it as well. Yep, we just changed this one to 7. That also to 7. And again at our output to 7. So this little bit in here goes 7. And now if we pull the lever, completely independent. Oops. What did I do? Oh ho ho ho. Idiot me. Yep, that and that. There we go. So I hadn't actually set the command for some reason. Must have to like double click it or whatnot. Yeah, so that's it for multi-channel wireless redstone in a stackable design. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again next